Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts from feed. Alright, let's begin. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your account. Once done, you will be redirected to the homepage of the app. Now tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then access the settings from the top right corner. Inside it, scroll down a little bit and access the playback feature. Next, tap on Playback in Feed and then turn it off completely. Once done, get back to the home page and then tap on the three dots icon on top of the shorts. Now there are two options. You can either select Not Interested from the menu, or you can just close it and select the three dots at its top. Next, tap on the Show Fewer Shorts feature and then reload the page. As you can see, there are no shorts being displayed on my account. So that's basically how you can disable YouTube Shorts from feed. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.